Hello everyone, today is the first day of spring, 1st of September 2023 in Melbourne, Australia. What I'm going to show you is the birds. As you can see, that's the birds in our garden. We have so many of them, but one of them at the moment is actually on the top of the nectarine tree, and that is the New Zealand Honeyeater. So we have so many of those birds in the backyard, and they are just having fun, and they even have a nest right now. So it's just really a beautiful birds, and they actually get used to us, and they are really friendly. Even if we go out, they just want to stay there and love our company. You know, it's just it's an awesome bird. And look at them, mommy and daddy are together, and the nest, there are eggs in the nest, and hopefully it will hatch in a few days time. So it's just a beautiful birds, and very friendly. So enjoy this video, and there are more to it, and with the birds of course, and at the same time just a little bit of update with my garden in our backyard. Thank you. Gorgeous bird in our nectarine tree. Hello birdie. Oh, no, he's gone to the very top now. Now disappear, just fly off. That's a beautiful nectarine tree. The view from our kitchen area. How gorgeous. It's gonna be full of fruits. The moment is full of flowers. Today is the 1st of September and the beginning of spring. So there are going to be a lot of beautiful flower coming soon.